Are you a business owner in need of money? Have you been thinking about getting a business loan? Are you uncertain about where to start or what questions to even ask? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to go over the top 8 questions every business owner needs to ask when considering a loan. Whether you're an established business or just starting out, the chances are, you may need to take out a loan to help build your business sooner or later. Asking the right questions is something every business owner should do in order to ensure they're making the right choice for their business. Before we dive in, please comment below if you are currently considering a business loan or if you have ever gone through the process. We are curious to know. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss out on our latest videos. We really appreciate your support. Taking out a business loan isn't always an easy decision, especially if it's your first loan and not sure what to expect. But don't worry, we put together the top 8 questions you should ask yourself before taking a business loan. As with any financial decision, it is always best to check with your accountant or CPA to see if it's a viable option for you and your business. Now, let's get started. 1. Do I really need a business loan? This is probably the most important question you need to ask yourself. This question may seem obvious, but oftentimes a business may take out a loan without a real viable reason to do so. Before taking on debt, you may want to explore other possible options such as borrowing from friends or family. Another option is applying for business credit cards to help build your credit and finance your business. 2. What do I need the funds for? If you decide that you really do need a business loan, the next thing is to narrow down exactly what you will be using the money for. Whether it is to purchase inventory, hire more employees, market your company or purchase new equipment. You'll need to get clear on how you will use the funds to ensure that the loan will be a good return on your investment. A simple business plan can help you in determining what you may need funding for. 3. How fast do I need the funds? Do you need the loan right away, or can you wait weeks, or even months for the money? How quickly you need the money can impact which loans you should apply for. Some loans, such as with alternative financing, can be available within a day or two. Other loans, such as traditional bank loans or SBA loans, can take weeks or even months for the lender to approve your application and deposit funds into your account. If you need money fast, then most likely, you'll need to go with alternative funding options. When considering the different types of loans you may qualify for, make sure to consider how long it will take to get the funds into your account. 4. How much money do I need? The answer to this question mostly depends on what you'll be using the funds for. As we mentioned earlier, having a good business plan can help you manage your money and help you determine how much you should borrow. Make sure you map out exactly what you are using the money for, and budget enough to cover unforeseen expenses as well. 5. What is my credit score? Your credit history can make or break whether or not you can get a loan. Lenders typically look at both your personal and business credit history and score. Therefore, you should have a good idea of what your credit score is, to know what kind of loan you may be eligible for. Keep in mind that the higher your credit score and the better your history, the more likely you are to receive a loan with favorable terms. 6. Do I have any other debt? Having a bunch of outstanding loans can affect your ability to secure another loan. That's why it's important to check how much outstanding debt you have. After all, you don't want to take out more debt if you're already struggling to make other payments, especially if you can avoid it. If possible, pay off any other debt if you can, before taking on any more loans. 7. How much will the loan cost me? Depending on the type of loan, you should consider various factors such as interest rates, factor rate, fees, penalties. Considering the cost of the loan is definitely important. However, in the end, if taking out the loan is ultimately going to bring you a return on investment and help you grow your business, it probably makes good business sense to take the loan. As long as you can afford it, and if it helps you make money and grow your business. 8. How do I apply for a loan? If you have great credit, have been in business for over 2 years, are making significant revenue, and are not in a hurry, then you may want to apply with your local bank first. On the other hand, if your credit is not perfect, you have less time in business and need money fast, then consider an alternative lender. It's very easy to apply with an alternative business funding marketplace like First Choice Business Capital. Simply visit the link below in the description or call 877-235-0672.